Good morning and good afternoon. I want to show you the result of fixing the drivetrain problems in a TK40, which would also apply to a TK46. So what I've done, as I mentioned in my previous videos, this is the new idler from a Tandberg 3300X, which is gone into there. Fix that beautifully. Then the tower, support tower down here crumbled, which I've covered in JB Weld and put back. It's a bit hard to see, but it's totally covered in JB Weld. See my other video. The last problem I had was it was not going forward. Fast forward was not working because this roller here needs to ride in this contact surface up here, and this roller had dropped down, so it wasn't touching. So I took it out and put a few shims underneath it there to lift it up a bit. And once I lifted it up a bit, this surface here was fully in contact with this rubber perfectly, and it took away the noise and gave me perfect drive. So let me give you a demo. It's actually running, and as you can hear, there's zero noise. Well, just about zero. It is extremely quiet. Now, let me put it into play. And the new roller, the new idler down there is engaged from the Tandberg, and I have a very strong drive. I really cannot stop it. The backward, the rewind, which uses this roller, is very strong. Really can't stop it. And the fast forward, a little bit of a rattle, but that's probably about as good as it gets. And again, it's very fast, it's quite strong. Not very strong, but quite strong. I should roughen up the rubber a little bit down there. I usually put a little bit of sandpaper along here. And a lot of isopropyl alcohol, give it a good clean, dry it out. And it's still a bit weak, but nonetheless it's working. So I have forward, I have a very strong back, and I have very good play. Unfortunately, the head may be worn in this because I'm not getting any sound out, so I'm going to transplant the drive mechanism, these components, to a TK46 stereo unit I have that has drive issues, because I probably cannot find a head for this in any great hurry, and I'll get the TK46 working.